Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can apply a radial gradient background to shapes in your project on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So let's navigate to a blank page and add, for example, you can go with an ellipse, position it on your canvas, and now what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the shape's properties. To do that, select it with your left mouse. After that, open up the panel here on the right hand side by clicking into this handle and navigate to its properties by clicking into this button here. Now what you want to do next is navigate to the area tab here, expand it, and here under fill color choose gradient. And here, let me just expand the left sidebar so that we may see the entire menu. Here under fill, select radial instead of linear. And here adjust the color. For example, I don't know, green. And you may go, for example, also with the second color. It's going to be indigo. You may, it doesn't work for radial gradient, but for some other gradient types you may, for example, adjust also the degree here, or angle, sorry, of the gradient. And here you may adjust also the transparency if you like. However, I will leave it like that, and as you can see, the radial gradient looks like this. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.